business better than drop shipping? Better than FBA? Nah, it's gotta be, no, it's gotta be clickbait. It just has to be clickbait. No way, Nick. Let me just leave it this. Chill out. It's not clickbait. What's good on, guys? It's your boy, Nick, and today, I can't believe I actually made an actual normal intro. Did I, guys? Did I? Anyway, so let's just get right to it, guys. So, what is this new magical business? Not really new. It's just that nobody wants to talk about this for some reason. I just think that's because they feel like that's gonna raise competition. Like, I don't really know, man. Like, all of this is available on Google anyway. But anyway, I'm just gonna raise awareness for this for you guys. This is more of a thing that I would consider starting after you guys do dropshipping, like after you make some money dropshipping. But it can also be a good thing to do on the side and just, make this your own business. So what am I talking about here? I am talking about, ladies and gentlemen, software as a service, or commonly called software, as you could just call it whatever. People are like, what is this SaaS business? What is this SaaS? Well, here you go. So what is this in simplicity? Basically, you make a website on maybe WordPress. You get someone to make a website which offers a monthly service. So that monthly service could be offering winning products, offering, some kind of I don't know, Instagram related software which helps you grow your Instagram, or any kind of monthly subscription which you have to pay a monthly subscription on. Yeah, okay. Or you have to pay a monthly recurring money on. And I'm pretty sure you've used, like, all of you have used a SaaS at one point in your lives, unless you're like 10 years old, which is why you should not be watching this channel. But either ways, actually, if you're 10 years old, you can watch the channel. Just like, apply this. What am I saying? Anyway, so what do I mean by this? So I would suggest you guys to really get into this and just focus full attention in this video, because this is gonna give you a lot of insight about SaaS businesses, why they're better than dropshipping, Amazon FBA, print on demand, and why nobody's talking about them because they don't want you to know. So I'm gonna let you guys know, all right? Literally, like, I were in SaaS businesses, there were like hardly any videos about them. So yeah, it's gonna be a two-part video. I'm also gonna be having one of my friends come over on the part 2, who's like actually a SaaS expert, and we're gonna have like a discussion with him. But before we get into that, let's just get straight into it. So back to coming to the what is a SaaS. So you pay monthly recurring basically for a service or whatever you have to pay. So for example, like I told you guys earlier, the main thing about this is that the product is really low price, like $29 a month or $15 a month, or sometimes even I've seen like this new software that's coming out. It's called Mentor Box. It's something to do with books and people reading books out for you. That thing goes for $7 a month, but they've grown to like thousands and thousands of people in their program. So the basic secret about SaaS and why it's so good is that I will have an entire sheet over here, right here, okay? But before that, people basically charge really low for this and just get a lot of people to sign up for the SaaS. That's why it works out so well. So to prove my point, why is this better than dropshipping and Amazon FBA and print on demand? Let's just get right to it. Alright, so here we go, guys. These are the top 5 things I could think of. There are like hundreds, honestly, but the top 5 are right here. So first of all, the thing with SaaS is that you build once, sell it forever. So like in dropshipping, you have to buy and sell. You're basically flipping at the end of the day. You're buying an item on AliExpress, you're selling it first for like profit, but in the end, you're flipping the item. You keep buying, you keep selling. You get like 1,000 orders, you sell, and then you also like run out of supply. So I'm just gonna add one more point here. Can't run out of supply, and right here, can run out of supply at scale. All right, so let's just continue. So if it's software, you just build software once, the online website, the designer completes it, you start marketing it, and it's done. Like, you build it once, and the same thing, you build it once and you're done. You don't have to pay ever again. So in dropshipping, every time you sell a product for $100, you have to go ahead and buy the product for like $50, and it takes off your shit, and you're like, oh my god. So if you sell 1,000 units of your dropshipping item, which you sold for $30, and you bought it for $10, well, you end up paying $10,000 total for the product cost, and you sold the product for $30,000 total. However, if you're getting 1,000 people on your software, well, what's happening is that you spend the same amount of money to acquire them, okay? Advertising spend is the same, but over here, what's happening is that you're gonna be making $30,000. If you're really good, you're gonna make $30,000 a month. But let's say that your software is so weird that you just make $30,000 in a month and you just stop making money. Even so, you won't have to pay $10,000 in actually fulfilling your SaaS. It's already there. The only upfront cost will be building the SaaS, which can range from anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000. But honestly, you could even get a SaaS built for lower than like 500 or 400, 300, whatever. I'll show you guys methods to do that soon. But that's basically it. You don't have to pay the big $10,000 long term for the SaaS, and that's why it becomes so easy to scale these businesses. All right. So that's number one. That's, I think, one of the most important ones is that you don't have to pay over and over again. You build one, it's done. All right. Number two, instant delivery. So, ever use ClickFunnels? What is for a SaaS? You just go at go to the SaaS, you sign up for the free trial, you sign up, or you just pay them like monthly, and you're done. Okay, like Alex Becker's HCom. I just went and I paid $24, 27, whatever it is a month, and instantly you get access to all the videos and all the whatever the SaaS is offering. So that's a really good thing right there. You don't have to wait a long time. In dropshipping, FBA and POD, well, there are long shipping times, if not long, like FBA and POD. Well, it's still, there are shipping times, okay? Like, shipping times in itself is a problem in this sense, okay? Of course, you can't have them like instant teleportation, like, oh, you ordered a product, boom, like, look at your door right now. No, that's not gonna happen. At least in 2025, maybe? You never know. But, there are shipping times in this. And they can also be tedious. Have you had an email of people saying, oh, I never got my product charged back, ew. So those are pretty ugly. You have to deal with that with software. Number three, and my favorite of all, honestly, this basically motivated me to just start and go all in SaaS, is monthly reoccurring. Okay, so what does that mean by this? You will, if someone buys your SaaS, if you spend $20 to acquire a customer and they buy your SaaS for $30, that they're gonna pay you $30 a month, okay? And you don't know if they're gonna pay you for 1 month, for 2 months, for 10 months, for 5 years. You don't know how much this customer is gonna pay you, okay? And usually he's gonna pay you for more than 1 month if they like the service in the end. For drop shipping though, they pay you once, and it's a one-time revenue. So if you spend $20 in advertising, you're only gonna get $30, and that's it. That's it. Deal closed. No more. Never again. Unless you, of course, send email campaigns to the customer, then maybe they're gonna come back and buy again. But monthly reoccurring is absolutely crazy good in that sense. Also, not to mention that with monthly reoccurring, if you spent like 10K in advertising the first month and you made like 20K a month back, well, guess what? You won't have to advertise to those people ever again. You have to maintain your product and just make sure they're enjoying your product, and boom, you're done. Do a little bit of customer service and you get back like 20K every single month. Like, simple as that. However, drop shipping, even with good customer service, you're gonna see chargebacks. So that's a good thing for SaaS. You get monthly recurring revenue. High value. Okay, so this is like kind of a, they're both similar in this, but not at all similar at the same time. For dropshipping and FBA and POD stores, you can sell these stores, by the way, at the end, like once you make a lot of money with them, or revenue, or like whatever amount you make from the store, you can go ahead and sell those stores on whatever market you're looking for, exchange, or multiple markets to sell them at. But usually you can only sell those stores at like half of your revenue, or like, like around your revenue, or maybe like even like 20-30% of your revenue. That's what stores sell at. I've seen stores with $1 million in revenue sell for like 50 grand. However, in software, if you make like, let's say 5 figures a month, like 10 grand a month, you can go ahead and sell that software for 10x of what it makes in a year sometimes. So that is crazy of how truly scalable your software is and how attractive it is as a business model. So that's really, really high value. You make a software, make it like 10K a month, and you can go ahead and sell it on Flippa or whatever, all right? So super high value right there. A good point to notice. It's a true business. What do I mean by this? So dropshipping in the end is a method unless you create a brand. Okay, you go on Instagram, you find the winning product, you find the winning product somewhere else, you market it, and you keep promoting it until it dies, move on, make a new store, and, keep going. You'll probably do a lot of good stuff like email marketing, if not even email marketing, just lookalike audiences, Facebook, Instagram influencers if you're smart. But in the end, it's a method, okay? In the end, you have been a CEO of multiple different dropshipping stores if you have been doing that. But, it keeps changing. But with the SaaS, what this is, that it's true business. You can rely on it to bring you revenue every single month, and you just absolutely cannot be like phased because of like, oh, you know, you made 10K a month drop shipping this month, next month you made nothing. Wow, what now? But your software is going to be very, very consistent with what the value it brings you and the amount it brings you. And that's why it's much harder to start off and then drop shipping as well, which I'm going to talk about in a second. And the last thing, of course, that it can't run out of supply. You build the software, people log on to it. It doesn't matter if you're scalable now, okay? You can have hundreds of thousands of people just on your software. Although that's a huge number, okay? Like even ClickFunnels does not have those many. I don't think they have those many. But ClickFunnels, a huge software, is a good example. No matter how many people use ClickFunnels, it's not gonna run out. Okay, everybody can build a funnel on the software. It's a blueprint, so you can't really run out of supply on that. By this point, you can already see what I mean and why this isn't a crazy, crazy, amazing business. Anyway, and with dropshipping, yes, once you scale too high, there comes a point where your supplier just can't keep up with the demand. And it does, you might see some downtime there, but still, these things are not like to not consider dropshipping. Dropshipping is still really, really amazing at how low price and profitable it is, but SaaS beats it completely in every single way, shape, or form. So let me elaborate a little bit more on this and how you guys should go about this. So the main thing about SaaS is the monthly recurring revenue. That's the amount of money you're going to be paid every single month, no matter what happens, unless they just cancel subscription. So the thing is that you go out there, okay, and you find a problem, and you address that problem by creating the software. You hire a bunch of people for a little bit of money, and they make the software for you, and now you go and promote it using Facebook ads or Instagram ads or Google ads. That's the main things that people use right now. Paid advertising. There are many ways of doing it, blogs, you know, recommended friends or whatever, but the best ways I think are Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, and Google advertising for the software. And that's it. Like, just always think to yourself as a SaaS product. Never think of it as a SaaS. Oh my God, what is a SaaS? How do I sell this thing? No, it's a SaaS product, okay? And just imagine your website, but your entire website is a product now. And that's it, guys. Like, there's a much more. This is just the brief overview of what this is. As I get deeper and deeper into software, I'll be sharing you guys more of my insights, what I've learned, what I've built. Might even reveal one of my softwares to you guys. But this is just to show you guys that there are bigger things out there. You don't have to be stuck in dropshipping. Sure, you can, watch videos on this channel to learn a lot of dropshipping, but I also want to show you guys different things and diversify to make sure you guys are not just, being fed the same bullshit over and over and over again. So it's good to keep repeating one thing over and over again to make a lot of money, but I also want to make sure you guys are diversifying and you guys are getting these new ideas because I value you and I want to make sure you guys can get into new businesses. So I really hope you guys found some value in this video. Let me know what you guys had, any insights about this. Basically why I think SaaS is I'm sure why SaaS is better than all three businesses, and you guys should really start getting to that level. Like I said earlier in my other videos, is you want to do drop shipping to a level that you have your stores automated now. And once you have like 3 or 4 stores automated that are already working for you with VAs and Facebook ads or Instagram ads, whatever, then you can take your time off and you can just give like 10-20 minutes a day, 1 hour a day to drop shipping, or maybe like 3 hours a week to drop shipping, and then focus all your other time in these different businesses. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more business ideas and just me starting new businesses. Basically, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm doing personally with SaaS. I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing about obviously drop shipping in my stores. So let me know what you guys are interested in more. Just type in the comments below if you guys want to see more videos on SaaS or anything else. But yeah, guys, that's basically it from me. I really hope you guys enjoyed, found some value. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, because we are going to be uploading a lot more, and we already are. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot once again for watching. Take care, take it easy, and I'm going to see you guys later. Peace out.
Building walls to burn them down, cannonballs to watch me drown. You've got me lost in here and now, you've got me gone and lost and found. We only hang in evenings and I don't know what I'm thinking, but I know that I won't think it if I keep up with this thinking. All these dreams and all these plans we shared.